So we just got to the airport here in Dallas. We're heading to San Diego for the next few days. There's a spine conference that we'll be going to. And yeah, be there reviewing some spine, going over some lectures, and then going into the cadaver lab here for Austin. Just made it to San Diego, had a great trip. Austin slept and did great on the flights. We're about to head to the hotel now. Just got our rental car, about to head to the hotel now and relax for the rest of the day. The conference doesn't start until tomorrow morning, so we got a little bit of time to ourselves today. San Diego. San Diego, baby. It's a little chilly out here, but little Austin, we chilling. Checking out the beach, having a little good time.
Time on the beach.
Yep. It's about 5 p.m. now. I don't have anything to do, nothing scheduled until tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. where I got to be at the hotel, get picked up, go to another location for cadaver lab in the morning. We're doing cadaver lab. Essentially, it's a surgery where we go and enter the spine from the lateral position. It's called an X-lift. We're gonna go in the lab and practice that tomorrow. So we came to the beach here in La Jolla, and it got chilly like all of a sudden. So I gave little Austin my sweater. He's under there somewhere. Let's check him out. Hey man.
Oh, his little nose is red.
It's like got real cold all of a sudden. We're about to go hang out and go to dinner.
Mediterranean food.
Mediterranean food? All right. About to do that next. So it's about 6:30 a.m. We're about to catch a shuttle to the location where we'll have our cadaver lab this morning. Then after that, we're heading to Huntington Beach for 2 more days of training. So yeah, it's going to be a fun next few days.
I was like, I gotta go down. I got my Starbucks.
So we just got here to the Learning Center. Right behind me is where we'll do our cadaver labs here in a few minutes. We're just about to go get dressed, put our scrubs on, and yeah, go have some fun.
You know, it's fun, it's mobile, it's so, this is where I typically like my placement right here.
So we just got to the lab here. We're about to do the work on the cadaver, going through the lateral approach to the spine, and then going back to the lecture, receive more lecture. So. So we are here in lab. We have all of our equipment that we'll be using. We have some instruments here, some pages that goes into the patients in surgery, and then our cadaver. We have X-ray here, and some more instruments over here. So we're about to get started here soon. All right. That we're putting from the side of the spine. And sequence. I need to move my hand. Shot. Shot. Shoot. All right, so we just finished our lab here. We used X-ray, multiple instruments, and neuromonitoring system here. We're about to head back to lecture, receive a couple more lectures, go over some cases, and then we're heading to Huntington Beach for 2 more days of training. So see you in Huntington Beach. So just got out of the cadaver lab, about to change out of these scrubs here into my regular clothes, and then we have a little lecture, and then to Huntington Beach. It's like an 1.5-hour drive to start this evening. I got my locker, my name on it. Thought that was pretty cool. Catch you guys later. All right, so we just got to Huntington Beach. It's about an 1-hour drive out here. It's kind of windy. We're about to head to the room and relax. I have to be at another event tonight at 5:30, I believe. So, see you soon. So it's about 4 p.m. Just got done working out. I'm about to go relieve the wife so she can come over here and work out. That's what you got to do when you got little ones. You got a tag team, but still making sure that we get our fitness in, even on trips. Beautiful resort though here in Huntington Beach. Check you guys soon.
System doesn't make sense, or once you're heading towards it, makes sense in your field. So if things move around,
Our Augmented X Vision augmented reality headset. So heads-up display, tracing the anatomy directly over the patient.
So what does this allow us to do in surgery?
Yeah, so in surgery, it allows you to visualize the anatomy the same way you would in an open approach in a percutaneous fashion. So finding your exact same entry points, as well as having the axial and sagittal information that you would from any other standard navigation.
So basically, I'm looking in these goggles here. You call them goggles?
Headset.
Looking in this headset,
Yeah.
and I can see the patient's images
Right.
through this area right here.
Correct.
Verified jam shooting.
So I'll put it in, we'll verify the instrument. So it's a nice safety check. And as soon as it's verified, if you'll raise your chin up just a hair, there
Oh,
it is.
okay.
So there's your green circle.
So for the people who can't see, I can actually see that CT scan right there and see where I'm aiming my screws, even when I'm looking this way here. Oh, no patient marker. Okay. I can see where I'm. That is pretty cool. So this is next level technology. This is latest and greatest in spine surgery. Being able to use some type of virtual augmentation to perform surgery. It's incredible. These people trying to make me fat. I got donuts out here just sitting on the wall for us to eat during our break. But I'm not gonna fall for that. I got goals. I'm trying to watch my weight. I'm gonna go grab some fruit, banana or something. And probably only two donuts. I'll probably try one. Can I try one? So it's about 12:30 p.m. We just had some lunch. We're on break from our conference. We're just walking around enjoying some of these beautiful views. It's beautiful right here.
Incredibly important. So if you actually look at the cooker's not working yet. I guess the cooker just doesn't work for me. The meaning of life is actually trying to be happy. If you look at it, that's what you want to do.
So just got to the airport here in San Diego. We had a great weekend this weekend. This morning essentially was a few lectures, basically on finance and medicine, different contracts, what we should look out for in our first few years of practice. So it was more kind of practical things and things after fellowship and how life looks after fellowship. But just wanted to thank you guys for following along this weekend, the last few days. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.